big enough?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I mean, we could make it bigger if you want. Like, what do you want? Like wider or
I
longer?
think one more wider, like just one more this way, and then like.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so for now, I'll just keep.
Oh yeah, can alright. Okay. Oh shit! Where did this come?
Yeah, I can't like that. I think it's
Yeah, God. No, don't put yourself. Oh.
yeah, that's actually pretty sick.
Oh, I cut his leg off again. My bad.
Make a crafted.
Oh, actually, no,
Is that good?
oh, crafted club. Oh, yeah, that's good. It's good for blocking. Yeah, really good. What the hell? How do I get damaged? I don't know how, but people are building like these massive structures.
I can do that. Yep.
Oh wait, we're gonna need to.
There you go. Look at that. This is just a skull on the end of the ship.
Let's see. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, in the old game, you used to put, you used to be able to like put cloth so you can then light up.
Wait, let me get my glass.
Yeah, get your gun out, get your gun out. Get your gun out! No!
Oh, wow. It's literally gone. There's nothing there.
Wait, what's gone? Oh, the gun.
Like my ammo. Flares. Knife. Axe.
Oh!
What the?
Oh, oh, Jesus.
Drowned? What the hell?
Wait, you drowned?
Oh my. Yo, chill out, chill out.
Yeah, I'm dead. What? What the fuck? Yo! There's some silver cannibal donnies. Nah, wait, let me show you this.
Yo,
What?
chill
I've
out.
never seen them. What the?
More closer to me.
Bro, I didn't kill next to me. All I'm hearing is oh my.
Yo, the cannibals backed off, I think.
Fuck it.
A few backed
Yeah,
off.
Nah, I'm gone. I'm dead. I died.
Yeah, go get back. We're gonna do about that. You got a dead one right here.
Bro, let me. Bro, this shit is so weird.
Okay, we can't put that on YouTube.
Run.
That's a bit too far. Maybe, is there anything I can do? I don't think there's anything I can do. We killed the whole tribe.
Ah, we can't take his thing though.
No, wait, let's disassemble him.
Wait, we can disassemble it. Oh, okay. Okay, wait, I need.
That's a bit too much, man. What's
I
going
need
on?
meds. I need meds.
Okay,
No.
well, we took his leg off and you can see the insides.
What? Okay, health mix. Yes, I need that. Please. No. Do you have aloe vera?
Oh, sorry.
No. Yeah, let's just loot it.
What is the worst that could happen?
Yeah. What's the worst happening?
Yes, ammo. What I needed.
Oh, he's actually. Oh, let's go. Okay. Oh shit, and meds as well. Okay, we're good.
Okay, there's so much like loot here.
Oh, there's so much skulls. Fucking hell. Canned food. Oh shit, this is a log of blood.
Yeah, God. What the? Okay.
There's rope everywhere. Fucking hell.
We gotta dash everything.
Yeah, and the thing is, this ammo will respawn, so we can just come here anytime. And just
Oh, that's
Oh shit, he's right there. Do you see that?
Oh yeah, I see that.
Okay,
Where
wait.
going? I think he's
Wait.
lost it. Doesn't even know where I am. What the? Where's he going? Are you good?
What the fuck, bro? These tribes are crazy.
Oh, that next interesting. I beheaded him as well. What
Oh,
the?
what?
Where did he
Wait,
come
how?
from?
Oh shit! Watch out! Watch
That's
out!
gonna be crazy.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Move.
I'm dead.
No. Okay, you should spawn back at the camp. Yo, how the f is my man coming back to life?
That's interesting. Anyways.
Okay, there we go. Cut his arm off. Should be good.
I think there's a cannibal near me, which is a bit interesting.
Okay, wait. I know. Wait. Oh, the fuck, man! Just popped out a bush.
Alright, nice. Come, let me get my bag.
Yeah, get back and just get back and just run.
Nah,
We
that's
need to
gonna look
do-
sick in the edit, by the way. I was killing him over and over again. I look up and he's literally there. Yeah.
Thing is-
Oh, what the hell
put
is
the-
that?
Well, what is it? What is it? Wait, where are you seeing?
Help, man! Is it gonna kill
Oh
me?
shit! Oh no, leave that, leave that. That's the girl, the Virginia. Yeah, she's friendly. Okay, let's just carry on getting logs. We need to finish this off before it turns night. Oh, that's good. Now we just need the walls, but I don't know how. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's easy.
Scared the shit out of me. Yeah, these deers, I'm actually killing them, man. No, not possible. They're just faster, no? If I go all this way and I can't drink it, I actually can't be on.
Now you should be able to.
Okay, there's a whole cannibal camp. Yeah, so I avoided it as well.
Oh,
At least I
perfect.
know they're there now, so just in case. Yeah, man.
Oh, how are they only?
There's so many deers coming your way. What is that? But okay, that's what it is. It's the camp.
No, man, easy.
I still don't know what the hell I just saw back there, man. It was like two people connected.
Yeah, I think I know what that is. Not good. Okay, we should have two more, basically two more trees to cut down. Oh shit, I need to eat and drink.
Oh, the girls here. Okay.
Yeah, lighting, smash. Oh fuck. Oh, okay, yeah, sure, we'll use the rotten meat, why not?
Yeah, I'm just surviving off plants at this point. Is that all I got? Okay.
Alright as well. Get up.
I survive off these berries, man.
Oh wait. Please.
No, I don't have to build. I'm just gonna get the.
Oh, there we go. Finally died. Fucking hell, he comes all over the place.
Yeah, I'm gonna just get more wood. I don't have to build it.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Wait, I'm just gonna kill this one.
And then after that, we make our base stuff. Let's just explore around the map.
Great, there we go. Yes. I don't know how these are beaten, but I'll take it. Oh, do you have any more? Oh, we can't give each other. mine is always full. Great. Yep, okay, I'm coming. I think it'll still be daytime. If not, we'll just sleep again. Yeah, if it's nighttime, then we'll just sleep again.
Yeah.
Okay, now you sleep. Okay, wait. Okay. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, is it nighttime?
What the fuck?
Yeah, okay, sleep again, sleep again.
Alright.
Okay, there we
Oh,
go.
that's bright. Alright, so now all of a sudden I'm thirsty. That makes a lot of sense.
Oh, great, I'm even more thirsty.
Yeah.
Now you can drink anytime. I don't know.
What the fuck? He gets half of it done. That's sick. Alright, remember this spot.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut a bunch of trees and then bring them down.
So you just gotta build the walls and then the roof and that's it.
Yeah.
It's quite a long process. Oh, they should let us make borders. Jeez, yeah, bro, we have so much.
Yeah, it's probably still not gonna be enough to finish the house. Probably. Oh shit! What happened there then? Yeah, I'll put this one. There we go.
Yeah, there's quite a lot now, so we might be able to do it.
Wait. And then, just tell me when you want to go sleep. Oh wait, I can put this in.
Wait, is it like because I'm tired and hungry? Is that why I'm halfway through my energy already?
Oh yeah, it could be. Oh yeah, you know what? Yeah, so let's just sleep and then. Oh yeah, if we sleep, then it might turn that. Oh, actually, I don't know.
Oh yeah, so at 8, it
Do it.
takes it a little bit further, it's just the tiredness.
Okay, yeah, come. Let's just sleep. Oh, wait, what the fuck? Why is there a hell? Wait. Wait, are you seeing this? I see a helicopter over there.
I can't see
Yeah.
it.
Am I? Wait. I'm just gonna be so retarded if it's not.
I actually can't see anything.
Mine. Oh shit, it is, yeah?
Mad,
Oh.
I couldn't see anything.
Oh yeah, just.
I'm gonna shoot this deer for food. No, forget it, okay.
Yeah, it didn't really have anything useful. Oh wait, does it? Oh, why can't I duck under this socket?
Oh, there! Yeah, I can see it. I thought you meant in the air.
Oh. Oh, we got a grenade. Oh my. 3 grenades. Yeah, there's nothing else here. Yeah, that's it. Nothing really to.
Yeah, I see. Not dead people, so okay.
Oh wait, you should have like 4 grenades to pick up here. Hold up. Yeah, here, look, in these suitcase things.
Oh yeah? I think I have seen that before.
Yeah, you can just.
Turtle? I mean, I don't want to do this.
Oh yeah, you can eat that. You can eat that.
I don't want to do this, but you know. We gotta do it.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I think I have enough of that.
the detail is insane on the turtle. There's like yellow beads in it and everything.
I didn't know I could use all this.
Okay, that's all basically kind of done. We need like, yeah, we literally need like a couple logs, that's it. Yeah, we need like 10 more logs and then we're done.
So you gotta wait for it to turn to cooked meat.
Yeah. Oh wait, do you want to sleep? Or after you eat?
I'm gonna save it and then I'll sleep because I'll wake up feeling hungry or some shit. Oh, I forgot I use it.
Should have a box.
Yeah.
Wait,
This
it's not.
place, but now I can't see it.
No, it wasn't this place. It was more back here. Wait, was it? Oh no,
There was like a
no,
little
no.
dip in the. Yeah, it was over there somewhere.
Oh, there we go. Just walk like on the edge. There we go. Oh shit, I am hungry. Oh wait, I got one of these meal pack. Okay, 2 more logs and then should be good. So, well, I haven't seen cannibals in ages.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna say anything.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna have to put a lot of deer though. Oh, that was close.
Yeah, make sure to save your game in it.
Yeah. Great. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Alright,
Let's jump.
I'm gonna end the episode there. I think that was good. Just built the base and stuff, so yeah.